Hello friends, welcome to my gardening channel Growing Container. So today I am going to plant some cuttings of my monkey tail cactus. So these are the grafted plant that are near about, this one is 2 year old and this one is 1 year old. This is the one that I grafted from this plant. I take cutting from this plant and graft it here. You can see how beautiful it is, and it is producing new shoot as well, as you can see. Also this one is the child of this plant because I have to take the cutting and just graft it. And this one is another plant. You can see the yellowish, it is the sunburn because they are in full sun and they get direct sunlight, and this one gets some wall shade, that's why it is little bit green, but these all are getting too much sun, that's why they are yellowish. So today I'm going to plant some cuttings of my grafted plants. This is the cutting that I have planted a year ago, and you can see how slow it is, and now it starts to grow. So it is very slow process, so you have to wait and be patient. This one is not very old because I have placed this, I think so, a month ago maybe. You can see it still did not produce any root, as you can see, but these all are 1 year old plant. And here is another plant. This one is died. Most of them that I planted at the same time, something attack on them and they uproot the plants, and most of my plants are dead, like this one. So this is the cutting of this that I break in about 2 weeks ago, so I planted it here. So today I'm going to take some more cuttings from these grafted plants. So I want to propagate them. I will take cutting from this plant, you can see. So I will take cutting from here like that. So this is the cutting. It is very beautiful cutting, you can see how beautiful it is. So I take small portion. First I will analyze. You can see the yellowishness, it is the sunburn here. I feel that this one is sunburn, so I have to take care of it. So let's take some cuttings like that. 1, 2, and this one stays like that. I can take 3 cutting, but 4 cutting, but these are enough. So let me take some more cutting. I will take some cutting from this plant, you can see. So this one. Now 1 and 2. So I will take some more cutting from this plant. I will cut it from here, and this plant is producing all the energy in this sucker, so I am going to cut this sucker as well, so it does not lose its energy. So let me pick this cutting, and we will same make small cuts. This one stay the same, this one stay the same, this one I cut both of them. And for this I will take cutting for this branch like this one. I will take cutting of this branch because it is very beautiful and healthy plant, so I will cut it from here like that. So this cutting same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the cuttings that I'm going to grow in these pots. So let's start. You okay, you only have to, I am thinking to make this cutting as well. So it is good to have more than one cuttings. So I'm going to plant them without any cauliflower because my soil is dry. So I just plant them like this without any rooting powder. So let me plant all of my cuttings, then I will show you the final result. So these are the cuttings that I have grown. Some of them I put from here and plant it here in this pot. So there are total 5 pots and this one is the older one. So now I will keep them in indirect sunlight and I need to hide them because something attack on them, and I don't know either it is a cat or squirrel because they pick the cutting and I think play with them and put it somewhere away. So I have to protect them, otherwise they all will gone. I am not so sure either it is a cat that think it's a rat tail or it is a squirrel that is think that think that it is something they made. I'm not sure, but they pick this and they do not eat them, but they throw them somewhere away. So this is the update so far. I will show you some more updates in future. I also have some cuttings that I have planted in the ground. They are not in ground, they are in pots, but I place them in the ground level. This is the rooftop of my garden, so all the cutting will stay on the rooftop. So these are some more cactus. You can see that I have transplanted. I'm thinking that they are getting too much moisture, so let me check it out. And for now this is the update. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.